On May 26 at 1 p.m. at the Murdoch Administration Center, Charlotte County Government is holding the Criminal Justice and Behavioral Health Summit. Hi, I'm Elizabeth Billings with CCTV News You Can Use. Here to tell us more is Bill Truex. Hi, Commissioner. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, Elizabeth. Nice to see you.
So what is this Behavioral Health Summit?
The Behavioral Health Summit is basically an uprising out of the Stepping Up program from the National Association of Counties. Our Board of County Commissioners supported that resolution a few months back and has provided me a little latitude to push this effort forward and try to bring the community together in a collaborative effort to educate our public and to try to seek more funding for mental health and substance abuse diversion programs and health care in itself. We're trying to deal with the stigma that's attached to these diseases and trying to help people to understand that they have to get the help to have a productive life, and that our society will be much better off with them in it as productive citizens, not spending time in our jails.
Okay. What type of organizations will be participating in this?
We have Judge Leifman is going to be coming over from Miami-Dade, who's been instrumental in diversion programs over the last 18 to 20 years. We have our mental health judge, Judge Porter, will be here. We have the captain of the jail and our sheriff will be here, Captain Turney and Sheriff Promell. We also have the former director of G. Pierce Woods, Dr. Martin Von Holden, who can talk about what we have lost in not having those facilities available in our society today. And we will be having other, Mommy will be there and some other organizations, Charlotte Behavioral Health, Vicki Scanlon, to try to help folks understand the different struggles that we may have at each door that we try to get through. Access to care is important, but funding, we have to identify more funding at the state level, and so we hope to have a lot of state representatives and senators here who have been invited to hear where our community is going with this issue, and we hope that this platform can be used across the state and across the country for others to try to help them initiate a program in their community.
Okay. And are we encouraging citizens to come attend this event?
Absolutely. I think it's extremely important that the citizens come and participate because we need their help. Quite frankly, this cannot be done through just government or through nonprofit organizations without their assistance. So if they can come, they'll learn, and they will also find avenues for assistance, as well as they'll have that ask of, can you help a certain organization? Will you be willing to participate? Because people make lives matter through their assistance, and they'll gain more out of that giveness, if you will, than just sitting back and listening.
Why is it important to have the Sheriff's Office part of this Behavioral Health Summit?
Elizabeth, that's a great question, and the reason it's so important is because our jail population consists of 25% of the population with mental health disease. They're either an Access 1 or Access 2 challenged individual, and across the country there are facilities that are as high as 40%. So you can see that they're not going to probably get the best treatment in a jail facility as they would in an actual mental health facility. And we need for them to be returning to society to be productive, and a jail is not really designed to be the #1 provider as it currently is throughout our country for mental health. So, extremely important.
And we're doing this at a local county level. Where do we hope to take this statewide?
Well, I think I want to see this become kind of a platform for folks who are challenged right now. Miami-Dade has taken a very strong lead in this, and I've visited their facility. I've talked to their psychiatrist. I've traveled in some of their footsteps, if you will. And so learning from them, I'm hoping that we can use this summit to produce and share with other counties, especially rural counties who don't have all the same assets. This may become a regional effort as far as finding more facility space, collaborative with the state. And I think sharing the information and having it online, if you will, for access can be a tool for the future. And I hope that the FAC, Florida Association of Counties, and our National Association of Counties will take this up and share it throughout the nation.
What do you hope for the future from this summit?
I really hope that Charlotte County can become kind of a role model for the rest of the country in the collaborative efforts that we can pull together through organizations, government, citizens, the state, and assist others in trying to find good avenues to assist folks. You know, there's a lot of co-occurring problems with substance, mental health, and homelessness. And quite frankly, I think we have to look at this as a three-pronged stool that we have to try to attack. And so there's a lot of directions to come from and a lot of challenges ahead of us. So we're really looking forward to the community coming out and being involved.
Thank you, Commissioner Truex.
Thank you.
So come and join us on May 26th at 1 p.m. or you can view it live on CCTV. I'm Elizabeth Billings reporting for CCTV News You Can Use.